Hello, Rowdy Rabbit friends. This is Jeff from RowdyRabbit.com, and my old tutorials were kind of boring. I want to go a little different route. I'm not going to script nothing. Just going to pick a topic. I'm going to roll. Try to make them quick. Today, we're going to be talking about Blender. This is Blender. I've showed it to you once before. Basically, you got this 3D stage. I'm using my middle mouse button to move around. You can see this little thing down here tells you what button on my mouse I'm using. There's middle, left, right. See, it tells you left. Anyway, you can see what I'm doing. If I type a key, Anyway, so I'm gonna get rid of the box by hitting X. Enter. I'm gonna put the. Actually, I'm gonna restart the file. Control N. Get rid of the box. X. Gonna use. Look at it from the top angle here. Middle mouse button, drag around. I'm gonna Shift A, add text. Boom. I'm gonna tab into edit mode. I'm gonna make this say RowdyRabbit.com. Done. Boom. I'm gonna go over here and click on the F button over here and over this way. Click on the font button. Then I'm gonna go and change the font by clicking on the little folder here next to font regular. And go to my fonts folder. I'm going to use Kentucky Fried Chicken font. What the heck? I don't like the font space. I want to space the letters out a little bit. So, character spacing. Yeah, that looks fine. Just like that. Now, these letters are flat. I want to extrude them out. So I go to extrude. Right here. Extrude them out. Just a little bit. Hold down Shift. Makes them go a little. So that looks pretty good. Now I got extruded letters. I kind of want to make these blue. So I click on Materials, add a new material. Click on the diffuse color, make it blue. Done. Now I want to, I'm going to hit number pad 7 to look at it from the top view. I'm going to go back to the F button so I can go back to my font and center it. Then I'm going to hit Control Alt number pad 0 to make my camera focus or my camera move to where I'm at right now. Then I'm going to right click, select the camera and hit G. Click the middle mouse button and move my mouse forward to zoom in. So just where I like it. The left button to confirm where I have that at. Then I'm going to hit G and Y to constrain movement in the Y direction. Center this a little bit. Actually, I think I'm going to go a little different. I'm going to get it from an angle just for fun. Go maybe like this here. Sure, why not? Angle. Boom. G, middle mouse button. Looks pretty good. Let's save our work. F2. I'm gonna go to my temp folder. No, I'm gonna go to G, temp. I'm gonna hit I to make a new folder. Call it Blender temp. And then I'm gonna go into Blender temp, and I'll add that to my bookmarks. Now I can just go here anytime I want to get there. And then we'll call this what am I doing? Text example. Boom. All right, good, done. Now I'm going to hit F12 to see what it looks like right now. It's looking pretty good, looking pretty cool. I think I'm going to make the background a different color. I guess I'll make that... so I click on the little world here. I'm going to make it... Why isn't it... anyway, I'm going to make it red, I guess. Oh, I click this one? Oh, I make it bright. It's all dark. I don't know if it's a bug or something I'm doing. Whatever. Red's not a good color. Let's make it yellow, blue. Blue's nice. Something like that. Yeah. All right, let's see what we get. All right, we got a background that's blue now. Still want to know why it's all dark. It's weird, huh? Man, those are crazy. What's the hex? Oh, okay, never mind. There's a little slider here. There we go. Yeah, that looks a little bit more Rowdy Rabbit-like. Okay, let's make the Rowdy Rabbit text red. So I right-click it to select it. Click on this little material button. Click on diffuse. Make it red. Looks pretty good. Now, if you notice, there's another little thing here. This is a lamp. So let's put a couple lamps. Let's put this lamp over here, and Shift-D creates another lamp. I'm going to put that over here. Now, this second lamp, I'm going to change the color of it, make it sort of a yellowy light. And maybe the first lamp, I'm going to make it sort of a blue light. And I'm going to save my work. F2. Hit plus on the number pad, and that increments the file to the next number up. In this case, I didn't have a number, so it says text example1.blend now. And let's render it and see what we get. Ooh, cool. So now we got red text. The closer you get to the left, you got more yellowish light. Over here's a little bit more blue light. You can see it bouncing off right here. Let's give it a floor and make the floor shiny metallic. So zoom in, and I'm going to hit select the text, hit period on the number pad, which will focus my view on the text. And then I'm going to add a plane. Shift A. Add mesh plane. I need to rotate my text. So I'm going to hit RX to constrain in the X axis. Hit 90 for 90 degrees. Okay. I go forward to this view here. I click on the plane. I'm going to hit S, size it up a lot, and move Rowdy Rabbit up. Let's see, G, Z. All right. And make this plane. I'm going to go to the material settings, add new material, and go down to mirror and turn the reflectivity up to pretty high. Now I need to reset my camera because right now it's here, and that doesn't really show us a good view. So I want to make it more like from this angle. And hit G, middle mouse button to zoom out. G, just move your mouse. Hit R twice to sort of rotate it freely. G moves down. R once. R, G, middle mouse button. And now I'm gonna edit this mesh, give it some walls. So if I hit tab, it gets me over into edit mode here. I can select, hit Control Tab, and then hit 2 or select Edge. Then right-click this edge, hold down Shift, right-click that edge, hit E to extrude, and hit Z to constrain it to the X-axis and extrude it on up. Now looking through our camera, you see we got some walls. That's pretty cool. So let's save again. F2, save as, number pad plus, increment, enter, and F12, render. Funky shit. Oh, because our lights aren't any good anymore. So let's add some more lights. What do we got now? We got these lights are here. Looking at it from the top view, number pad 7, what we can do is shift middle mouse button moves me over. I'm going to hit G, move these lights like this. So now they're sort of over here like this. I'm going to hit N and go down to display. Display shading as GLSL. This might not work on everybody's computers. It works if you got a nice NVIDIA card or nice graphics card. I'm gonna hit G, move these lights closer, and see if you can. Oh, and I gotta move it to textured mode. Textured. Now I can move these lights around, and you can see that it sort of lights up my text in different ways. Let's do it about right here. I'm gonna duplicate these lights. I'm gonna do Alt D. That makes a link duplicate, meaning that if I change settings on this blue one, that blue one changes. If I make settings on this yellow one, that yellow one will change as well. Let's save our work. I'm just gonna save over my old one. Control W, save over. Yes, hit enter, and back to my camera. Yeah, this is gonna look pretty cool. F12. Since we've got reflections, it takes a little bit longer to calculate. It's calculating the reflections of everything. This is kind of cool. You know, you can see that I got some reflective text down there at the bottom, and it's sort of reflecting there in the background. Kind of cool. You know, and more than anything, I think you guys get an idea of what Blender is and how you can kind of really quickly make some pretty cool text, you know, for, I don't know, whatever you can use this shit for. Sorry, I'm trying not to swear for the kids, but that's just my personality. Sorry about that. I'm working on it, though. So there you go. Blender and text with Blender. 3D. Nifty stuff. See ya in the next screencast, everybody.